How to log into your Field account after forgetting your password. So here, the very first thing you want to do is simply get Field application in your App Store or Play Store. Then you can open the application. Here you'll be able to get that login button, tap on it, and then from there you can either tap on any of those platforms like your Apple ID, Google ID, or your Facebook ID in order to continue or in order to log in to your account using any of those platforms. But here, if you have used your phone number or your email address, then you can tap on either of them. And when you do that, there's no requirement of writing down the password. All you need to do is write in your email address. When you tap on next, you'll be able to get a link to your email. Simply open that link and you'll be able to log into your account. If you have used your number or your phone number like that, you'll be required to add in the phone number, and once you do that, tap on next. Here you'll be able to get a 6-digit code. Once you verify that 6-digit code, there's no requirement of adding down your password. You can log into your account. So you can log into your account even if you do forget your password like that.